Hey guys, what's up? This is Sanjana. Today I'm going to show you this look, and this is a warm cut crease look with a brown shade and a peachy neutral shade of lipstick. So let's start the video, and before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe and do hit the bell icon ताकि आपको हमेशा notifications मिल जाए हमारी वीडियो का. So let's start the video. So I've already done my base makeup, so we'll directly move on to my eyes and eyebrows too, because अगर मैं पहले फेस मेकअप करूँगी फिर आई शेडो वगैरह का ट्रिक्स आपको दिखाऊंगी तो टाइम ज़्यादा चले जाएगा, वीडियो भी बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. सो बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू द आईज, आई वुड लाइक टू हाइड्रेट माई लिप्स विद अ लिप ग्लॉस और अ लिप बाम so that my lips doesn't look crusty after applying my lipstick. Now I'll do my eyebrows first, so I'm taking a brown gel liner because I don't have any eyebrow gel or anything to set my eyebrows, so I'll use a brown eyeliner, gel liner. If you don't have a gel liner or a eyebrow gel, so you can use a dark brown shade of eyeshadow to tint your eyebrows, or you can use a bronzer too. So now let's start. Okay, so now I completed both of my brows tint and I've cleaned this one, so you can see the difference before cleaning and after cleaning, how better it looks after cleaning the brows. So you may know now that how important is the cleaning of your brow sides, the outer part. So now I'll do this brow and you'll know that how do I clean my brows. So I'll take my one shade lighter concealer. Now I'll apply it under my brows. And now I'll take a flat brush, okay, and I'll blend it out. Now I will take a small beauty blender and I'll blend the eyelids to make it look smoother. Make sure you don't get any concealer on your eyebrows. So you can see how good it is looking now, how clean it is looking. Now I will take my spoolie and I'll brush it out. Now people like me who don't have a blender brush or a eyeshadow brush, fluffy brush, so I have a trick for them. Even I don't have a fluffy brush or a eyeshadow blending brush. So I take a fan brush and a rubber band and I just tie it up like this. Now you can see how fluffy this brush looks. So now our blending brush is ready. Now to set our concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I'll be using this shade right here. So I'll take it and I'll apply it all over my eyelids for my concealer to be set. Setting your eyelids concealer before applying your eyeshadow is very important, guys, because if you don't set your eyelids with for your concealer, then when you'll apply your eyeshadow, it will not blend properly. So now that I've done setting my eyelids concealer, to start my eyeshadow I will use the Huda Beauty New Nude palette and I will take the shade Teddy, the lightest brown shade in this palette, or you can take any other light brown shade. Today I will do a light brown cut crease, so I will start with a light brown shade, then I will go to the darker shade. Now I will take the blender and I will just make the tip a little smaller, as you can see. Now I will apply it on my brow bone as my transition shade, blend it out properly. now that I have done blending this brown shade, now I will take the shade Secret. This will be my second transition shade, and I will apply it on my crease. This shade is little darker than the previous one. And do take out a wing, guys. Just like you apply a wing liner, just take it out. Okay, as you can see. If you think it's messy, then don't worry, we'll clean it up later on after completing this look. Okay, so now I will take a flat brush, as you can see, and I will dip it onto the shade Tease, the darkest brown shade. Now we'll take it and we'll apply it directly onto the crease. Or you can apply where you want to cut your crease, apply in that area only, because this will give the transition of your cut crease. Don't worry that if it's not blending, we will fix that later on after applying the shadow. Just apply a good amount so that it looks dark. This shade should be the darkest and should look the darkest too. Take blending brush or make this brush a little big, the tip of the brush a little big, and just blend out all the eyeshadow together so that the harsh lines get diffused. Eyeshadow is all about blending. The more you blend your eyeshadow, the more beautiful it will look. So finally, now it's time to cut the crease. So I'm taking this shade of concealer. Now I will apply it on just this place. It should not be above the darkest shade of your eyeshadow. So pull your eyelids and cut the crease. And now I will blend it on all over my lids. Now I will take a beauty blender, small one, and I will just blend it properly. Now I will take a concealer of my shade and I'll apply it wherever I want to fix my makeup. Take the Makeup Revolution palette and I will use this shade onto my eyelids, the place where I cut my crease. Okay, so now I will take the shade Tease, the shade which I applied on my crease, the darkest brown shade, and I will again apply it top of the crease. Now that we have done with the eyeshadow and cut crease, now we will apply liner. After that we will apply a little bit of glitter liner on our cut crease. eyeshadow and I'll apply it on my crease with a brush, angle brush. Now I will take this shade of Stila liquid eyeshadow and I will apply it again on top of the glitter which I applied previously. Now we will curl our lashes and apply the mascara. After that we will complete the whole look. We'll take a small brush. We'll make this brush tip a little small and I will take the shade Teddy and apply it on my lower lash line. Then I will take the shade Secret and that also I'll apply it. Now I will apply mascara on my lower lash line. So now that our eye makeup is complete, now we will complete the whole face look. And now let's start. Take a lip liner and trace my lips. Now I will take the Maybelline Super Stay lipstick in the shade Lover. Then I will take the lip liner once again and outline my lips once again to give a detailed lip look. So now that the makeup part is done, now I will set my hair and I will be back to you.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead.
Okay, so this is the final look, guys. Hope that you all liked this look, and if you did, then do like the video and do comment that what should I upload next, and let me know in the comment section कि आपको क्या सबसे बेस्ट लगा आई लुक में. और अगर कोई डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. I will surely definitely reply you, and do follow me on Instagram. I've given the link in the description box down below. So see you in the next video, guys. Love you.